Hello geeks. Today we will be learning how to buy hosting for your website. Just open your browser and type Hostinger. Then go to this link. This interface will appear. Then from the top menu bar, go to Hosting, then Web Hosting, or scroll down to choose your web hosting. From here you can choose the plan you want. Long duration plan will attract more discount. For now, I'll go with the 12 months plan. Once you are done with this, scroll down and create your account by entering your email account, or you can directly go with Google or Facebook. Select your suitable payment method. You can also add the discount coupon if you have any. After doing this, click on Secure Payment button and wait till the payment process is over. Once the payment is done, this page will appear. Choose the option which best suits you. As I already have a website, I'll select the third option. Then select the type of your website. I'll choose I built it myself. Now choose what you want to do. I'll choose Create a new website. Now select the platform. Now here you can buy a domain or use an existing domain if you already have one. Continue. Continue. Then finish setup. Here you can choose the server location. Wait until the process is finished. Once it is done, click on Manage Site. And here it is. Your website is running smoothly.